What's up, guys? What is this? Is this the start of the drift day video?
Sure.
I've been killing it all day. The car's been killing it. I ripped one of the rivets out of my steering coupler thing on my steering column, and I got it back in. It just popped right back out, and it's really sketchy because nothing happens when you do this until you get way over there, and then nothing happens when you go the other way until you get way over there. So I'm gonna try and get that rivet out and find a bolt and get a bolt and nut in it. But competition's about to start. Doing competition, I'm doing Group B cageless tandems.
Which you've never tandemed before.
I've never tandemed in my life. I just did, I led and nobody hit me.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, but the thing shit out and the guy like had to make evasive action.
That's what's going on here
That's what's
today,
going
folks.
down, guys. But we're gonna make this,
Okay, problem solved. Do you have that pin? Where's it at?
I have no idea.
Ah, shoot. All right. Chris is just in full race mode, so I think I'm gonna do most of the narrating here. Look at this man. No time to waste here at DBO. Oh, here's the pin. So this is what was in the steering shaft. It like broke off. So we replaced it with a nut and bolt. It's good to go. Hopefully Chris doesn't go. Anyway, I'm gonna swap lenses so that way by the time he gets to the track, I'll be able to record that. Okay, we got Chris and Mustang. Doing tandem things. Looks like Chris is leading. Good stuff. Just very competitive here. Very tandem. Staying together. Just owning it out here. It's good. You have to be good to join competitions. That's what this means.
All right, guys, so that was my first competition. You probably saw it. I did fairly okay in my follow run.
It's just an E30, dude. It's not that loud.
What's that one, our buddies?
Yeah.
I was a ways behind the guy, but like my line was okay. I didn't go off track. When I was leading, I was feeling really good, and then I've just been leaving in second the whole time and left foot braking, and it popped out of gear and went into neutral. So the dude almost rear-ended me. So sorry, guy, if you watch this, good job not hitting me. And then I was flustered from there and slammed it back in gear and then like spun out the next corner. So, but I've officially competed and I feel like I got 16th or 18th or whatever
What's it
last
out
is.
of? Oh, okay,
I don't know. I don't know. Well, I was the last one of the first round to get knocked out. Does that mean I beat all the other people that got knocked out before me?
Yes. Let's just go with it.
I beat all those people then. I beat Levi
You did.
because he was knocked out first.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we're gonna drink some more, hang out a little bit. Group A, like the real tandem shit's about to start. Sean's gonna be doing that in his Lexus that's out there.
Wherever it went.
But then I guess after that, it's open free drifting till midnight. And I don't know if you guys have seen footage of me in the A course yet, but it's like the high speed one. I am way better at that, and it is so much more fun. So I'm gonna do a lot more of that. But first competition under my belt, predictably, I lost.
This is a fast car.
Yeah, but you know what you're doing.
Fucking dick.
Yeah, there goes Chris.
Oh yeah, look at him go.
Is he actually getting good?
Looks like it.
Right on.
Gonna take it nice and easy.
Chris, it's a new dawn. It's time to drift.
It's time to drift.
But seriously, it's another day.
It's another day. Sunday. We survived. I slept in at 2:40.
Somehow.
Don't know whose that was. That's where I woke up.
I left him in a camping chair, so.
Thank you, random 240 guy, for having a comfy racing seat for me to sleep in.
Yeah.
So, it's Sunday. We're good. We're running the same course that we ran last night, if there was any footage of that.
A little bit.
A little bit of that. Okay, cool. Yeah, I shredded all the tires last night, so I actually had to pay to have some mounted because I'm out-ish. Destruction occurred, and I don't know if I look different than yesterday, but I feel different.
Yeah, we're changed at this point.
Whew. But I went to 7-Eleven this morning, got people some food. Hamish still has a monster, so maybe he won't need a nap today.
We'll see.
And let's get fucking 8 hours of drifting in.
Yeah. It's not taxing at all.
Let's do it! Alright, it's Sunday. This is day 2. Chris is gonna do drifty things. Right, Chris? Drifty things! Stay tuned. Here we go! back at it some more. I've been ripping, man. It's been a blast. Got some more tires mounted up, and then I got those 2 left, and then just 2 in there, and then I am pretty much out of tire. So
we've been killing it. We're just tired and beat.
Yeah,
that's pretty much.
But like I'm able to do the whole course in 2nd gear, and but now that doesn't feel fast enough in the big sweepers. So now I'm like start to try 3rd gear and stuff. It's a lot of fun.
It's a lot of fun. All right, so with Levi, Drift Doctor, the founder of Drift Colorado?
No, not the founder. It started 10 years before I got it, but running president.
There you go.
President. We'll go with that.
Sounds good. And he's gonna show us how to actually drift a Corvette, unlike Will. Just buttery smooth. So Chris, did you get a seat?
We got a seat.
So am I finally going to be able to do a ride along?
Yep, nice gentleman over here with a convertible E36 was like, dude, take my seat. So we have a seat, and this is their company, Volley built. If you want to like check them out, that'd be cool. But yeah,
So now we get to go rip.
let's go rip.
Cool.
You ready?
Yeah, let's do it. like, do I know what I'm doing? You look like you know what you're doing. Certainly feels that way. Holy shit. Yeah. 30, dude. Throw it again. Good, dude. Cool down. Jeez Louise. 244, still not 280. Nope. Oh, I think we're about toast on tires.
Yeah, she's squirrely.
We might have like one lap left.
Also appears that I didn't put the radiator cap on very straight.
Yeah. Yeah, she's boiling good. I think that's it, don't you?
What?
Like if it's pressurized, it's not gonna overheat as much, or?
Yeah, maybe that's it. I don't know. I think we're gonna get all packed up and get out of here, but it was like our first successful drift weekend, guys. Like, yeah.
It was awesome.
Thanks for watching. Appreciate your support. Yeah, SLR did really well.
And thank you, Volleybuild, too.
Yeah, thank you, Volleyball. So, gotta do some work with the SLR kit too. I have destroyed the control arm on that side. You'll see all in later videos, but we know what to do next time better. And, you know, check out our dudes at Angry Ass. They got new shirts out, and they are sick. Little Angry Ass there.
Guess the engine. Either way, see you later, guys. We'll be back later.
All right.